The concept of economies of scale is the ability to do things more cheaply and more efficiently when operating at a larger scale in comparison to operating at a smaller scale. Cloud providers such as Microsoft, Google, Amazon Web Services are very large businesses, and they are able to leverage the benefits of economies of scale and then pass those benefits to their customers. This is apparent to end users in a number of ways, one of which is ability to acquire hardware at a lower cost than if single user or small businesses were purchasing it. Just take a look at storage costs. As just an example, storage costs have decreased significantly over the last decade due to cloud providers' ability to purchase large amounts of storage at significant discounts. They are then able to use that storage more efficiently and pass on those benefits to end users in the form of lower prices. There are limits to the benefits large organizations can realize through economies of scale. A product will inevitably have an underlying core cost as it becomes more of a commodity based on what it costs to produce. Competition is another factor which has an effect on costs of cloud services.